Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Shelly Home Design. In today's video, we're going to take this vanity in my new rental, and we're going to make it look like this. Of course, this is a renter-friendly video, and all of this is removable. So, as you can see, we are missing knobs, and there's a hole in this counter. So, we're going to upgrade the counter. We're going to add knobs, and we are going to close this hole. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to take a moment to ask that you please consider liking it if you like it. And if you like my work, to please consider subscribing. I really do appreciate all of the support. Thank you so much, and let's get back to it. So first, what I did is I wiped down the counter. And I vacuumed above because there was a lot of dust buildup. I also wiped down all of the cabinets with alcohol to make sure that they were very clean. You do not have to do this step if you're not comfortable with it, but I had paint made to match the exact color of the cabinets, and I actually went ahead and repainted them. You cannot tell they were painted, they just look like they're fresh and new. And then what I did was I grabbed these knobs from Walmart, and they have a fat base, and you want a fat base for them because we're going to mount these on with mounting tape. You could also use command strips as well. So I'm installing them now, and now if you used one with a thin base, it wouldn't have enough room for the mounting tape to grip onto it. So that's why you need that. Now for this step, I am going to grab a piece of yucca board or hard board, and you can get this at your local home improvement store. I'm laying it on top and then using a pen to line where the edge of the counter is. Technically, it would have been better to have this fit the counter exactly, but I could not get it in the right size. But now I'm scoring the board on the line with a box cutter. And I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to start bending it to make a cut. Once I'm done doing that, I am just going to lay it in place, and I do actually use a little bit of tape on the corner on the right side, just because it didn't really want to stay down flat. So now I am taking some contact paper in marble. That's what I found that looked good to me, and I cut the edge to make it completely smooth because it comes with like a jagged edge, and then I am measuring it, and then I cut it. And then I go ahead and I install it. This is a bit of a time-consuming and slightly irritating process, but I was able to get it done in the end. And now I am just adding some greenery to the top because it looked like the perfect spot for it. Here is the finished piece. I didn't end up adding any knobs to the top, the very top cabinet, but I'm kind of okay with it. And I really like how this turned out. It looks brand new. The paint job really did help. Again, you don't have to paint it. I used the same exact color. It looks exactly like I did before. Aside from the paint, all of this is 100% removable. So I'm really happy with it. Now for the before and afters. Here's the before. And you can't really see how dirty it is, but it is dirty. And here's the after. It looks brand new and totally updated. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking it. If you enjoy my work, please consider subscribing. It really does mean everything to me. Other than that, you have a wonderful day. I'm gonna have a great day myself, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.